Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another nice and delicious cocktail. Today, we're going to be using the SATSUMA Mandarins. And what are we going to be making? A beautiful gin sour. Please stay here with me and let me show you how we're going to be doing this bad boy. Well, the gin sour. So as you guys know, I always like to make my sours. I am a fan of them. And today we're going to be using the Satsuma Mandarins. I mean, this is just mandarins that they have this beautiful orange carrot look in color, but they're like a really nice, very tangerine flavor onto, and very sweet. So I'm pretty excited to try this guy and see how actually it's going to be tasting. So let's start building a cocktail, and we're going to be doing it with some gin. Obviously, you can use the gin of your preference. This one happens to be Beefeater, so we're going to go for 1.5 ounces. We're going to follow this guy by 1/2 ounce of Canton or French ginger liqueur, simple syrup, 1/2 ounce, and we're going to add 2 ounces of our Satsuma tangerine, and obviously the guest of honor, the egg white. So let's make sure that we don't have any eggshells in your cocktail, and we're going to be using just the egg white. Have everything on it. Let's give it a dry shake. And remember to make sure that you're holding it very well, otherwise it will pop fast. If I can. Wow, this guy is really foamy. All right, now let's add some ice. And let's give it a serious shake. All right. Let's record seal. And that looks absolutely perfect. Wow. Let's get a nice chill coupe, just like this one. Let's strain our guy, and let's double strain. Wow, that looks absolutely beautiful. For your garnish, we're gonna go really easy on your bitters. So let's just use a little technique to make a few hearts. Okay. Let's get 3 small little dots. And there you have it, you guys. Your Satsuma Gin Sour. Salud everyone, and enjoy it.